Come to section 2 of this training. I want to explain now, since we have successfully learned how to create our and customize our own characters, the next thing we do is, I have already told you guys that under these characters um, tab, you will see all the characters you have created so far. Now, if you want to create an animation, first thing is you tap on this plot here. Then you tap on create new plot. Just for a start, please make sure your data is on so that it can actually load some of the backgrounds. Now, one thing about this animation is you are not stressing yourself to get the background, get this and that as when they do it with laptop. Laptop, you have to design it from scratch. But this one, everything has been made ready for you. So if you have a contract for somebody, all you just need to do is look for a good background. And there's already in the app. It's not called background, it's called scene. Look for already made scene, then just choose. So what you do next is, now once this thing loads, the first thing you do is look at the top, tap on this thing that looks like a clapper icon. Tap on it to add a scene. That is, add where you want this animation to take place. So once you tap on it, it will load like this. Character is somewhere. So what you do first is tap on this scene here. Once you tap on this scene, you're gonna see different scene. Cafe, elevator, restaurant, FX, split screen, TV. These are the ones you can actually use for now. But there are more, and I don't know why it's not loading yet. But let me see. So first of all, let me just choose one, cafe. So I've selected this first scene, cafe. Now you see that everything is now loading after some while. So see, everything has loaded now. So this top one, they are free. All these ones here, all these things here, they are just absolutely free. All you just need to do, anyone you want to use, just tap on download to download them. So you see, there are so many, they are up to 50 or so that you can use. Then you can download, just tap on the download to download anyone you like. Then this backdrop, the same thing, some are free, some are paid. So this one, I have this download icon here, is free, just download it in case you want to use it. So it all depends on the concept of what you want to animate. So first of all, I told you guys to think of what you want to do first before proceeding to do animation. So if it is something that somebody has to be in a car, look for something that is related to a car background. But if it is not there, then you have to use use another alternative, which is a free one. But if you must use it, something that has to do with a car, you have to go ahead and buy, because there are so many here. You can fantasy. If you want to do about hospital, you could check here. You want to do storytelling, so there are so many you can choose, but you have to buy them, and they are not very expensive. So let's assume I want to buy one now. I'll just tap on this icon, then it will ask me to log in. Once it asks me to log in, I put in my username and password and everything, then continue. Then the next thing is I'll put in my credit card details. They are just like 200 naira, 300 naira, depending. So they are very cheap. So since they are very cheap, the only time, if I want to really use this paid one, is maybe somebody give you a contract to do. Then from the money the person will pay you, you just go and download some and use. So there is not 300 naira is not that much. If you must do an animation that you want to present somewhere, then you can go ahead and just spend 300 naira. It's what you spend on data. So let me say I choose so let's say I choose classroom. So I'm downloading the classroom now. Since the classroom is taking time, maybe I should just get another one. All right, the classroom has downloaded, so I tap on it. So once I tap on it, it will load. Now this first one, this classroom is telling you of the script, of the scene, that is the background, which is the one we just selected now. Character is who you are choosing. So if I select character now, that means who I want, which of my characters do I want to be featured in this animation. So once I type on character, let me choose Shari. So once I choose the character, it will load. Now once it loads, the next thing is sitting to the left. Like now this next one is the position of the character. So if you tap on it, they have already their listed positions already, so you cannot change the ones other than the ones that are already in the app. So tap on this next one. Then from here you can choose any one you want to. From the drop down, let me say it's staying at the door. Some scene cannot take more than 2 characters. Some can take more than 2 characters. So it all depends. Then the next one is there's another character you can add. If you don't want to add another character, you can just leave it like this and continue. But if you want to add more character, tap on this character again. Remember, like I said, some scene only collects 2 characters. So let me say I choose this, the honk. It will load. And now the honk is sitting to the right at the desk. So you can tap here and select where you want it to be at. Teacher's desk. Now if you check here, you see that this Shari is at the door. This first one I put here is at the door. The second one is at teacher's desk. You cannot put the 2 of them at the same position. The first one is at the door. You cannot go and if you select the second one to be at the door, it will not work. She's showing a red line. So characters can't be on the same location. So you just have to change it and choose another location. Now the next thing is see if you hold this part like this and slide left, it will bring out this slider here. You can use here to cancel everything you have done so far, or you can use here. This one is used to move your timeline. Don't worry, we'll come to that. Why this one is to change the camera. Why this one at the top? If you look at the top, this one is to start new conversation. This one is to add text, and we'll come to all that. So for now, this is just the basic introduction.